today's video, I will be trying out this eyebrow tattoo from Skin. This is from Althea Korea and I bought it for 350 pesos. Pero sa ibang websites like YesStyle, 450 siya. Pero 10% off pa rin yun. Actually, this is for 489 pesos kung hindi siya naka-sale. So, I think I got it for a steal kasi yung mga nakikita ko na eyebrow tattoo here in the Philippines, dito sa local malls natin, are 599 above. And usually, 3 days lang sila naglalast. But this one, it can last 5 to 7 days, or so it may say. So, we will try it out. I got the shade dark brown kasi during that time, nung binili ko to, I have black hair. So, I don't know kung babagay siya sa hair ko ngayon. Naging blonde yung hair ko. Nag-patch test ako kanina, pero naligo ko, natanggal na siya. Kasi 5 minutes ko lang siya pinatuyo and then tinanggal ko na agad. So, just to see if may reaction ako dito, I think wala. So, yeah, let's zoom you in and let's try this one. Huwag niyo na lang pansinin na pawis na ako. Anyway, this is how it looks like. And then, when you open it, parang very sticky siya. Kamoy na kamoy niya talaga yung face mask na na-try ko dati. Hyaluronic acid yun. Am I pronouncing it right? Pero yun yung face mask na kaamoy nito. So, I think okay naman kasi skincare yung kaamoy niya. And alam ko, hindi ko lang masyado maintindihan. Pero based on the pictures na galing dun sa website nila, marami siyang natural ingredients. Meron siyang mga sunflower extracts, ganyan-ganyan. First time ko to, I hope I do well. Okay, make sure pala na kapag gagawin nyo to, mag-cotton buds kayo. One eyebrow done! So, sa first impression ko, I think madali lang siyang gamitin. Kasi kung nagkamali ka, you just need a cotton bud or cotton swab to erase the excess. If you guys can see, makapal yung nilagay ko dito, pero dito banda sa harap hindi masyado. But hindi ko rin siya masyadong na-perfect dahil meron siyang mga parts na wala. Pero hayaan ko na yan na ganyan. So let's make the other eye. Sabihin na hindi ako nahihirapan maglagay. Sabi dito, after washing face, make sure brows must be dry and oil-free. Coat your brows with eyebrow tint following the natural eyebrow shape. Let dry for 1 to 2 hours. It's now 1:38 in the afternoon and I'll be back later. I am back. It is now officially an hour later. I actually don't feel anything. It doesn't feel uncomfortable and parang hindi ko naman na-feel na makapal yung nilagay ko sa eyebrows ko. Wala akong ganong feeling whatsoever. So, very good. Okay guys, I'm finally back and we're finally gonna peel this thing off. Excited ako ma-peel siya. Sana very satisfying. So, this is what my eyebrows look like. So, I think I kind of made them too square. Just a little bit of eyebrow pencil can fix that when I'm going out. But if I'm not going out, I think my eyebrows look quite good. I'm pretty happy with this. I like it, and this is my first time. I thought na mahirap siya gamitin, but actually, it's not. And that was my first time kanina, and I really like it. So, yeah, I hope this stays on for 5 to 7 days. If it does, I will leave a comment down below. I mean, no, you can check my description box. I will update you guys there. Yeah, I definitely will recommend this to you guys if you want to try. Especially if you go out every day. Mas makakasave kayo ng time, ng money, ng effort into doing your eyebrows. Ako, personally, I do my eyebrows like 10 minutes sa isang araw or more. I think I spend too much time making my eyebrows every day. So, this will actually save it. And yeah, I really like it and I recommend it to you guys. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also guys, subscribe naman kayo sa channel ko to support me and for more stuff, weird stuff, and I don't know. So yeah, just do, please. Thank you guys for watching and I really mean it. Bye!